Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on this overall graphics quality. So as you can see here, when I change the overall quality, high to epic, medium, low or anything, you can see all other options underneath are changed to the value we select here. And if I change at least one of the options, you can see the overall graphics quality is changed to custom, as in any of the usual games see. So right, let's see how to implement this tutorial. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support. Right, so at the moment we have implemented we can actually change each individual setting to any of the setting we need and apply, but this overall graphics quality is still not doing anything. So what I need to do happen is, when I set it to high, everything below this should be set to high automatically. So right, so this is the graphic option widget, graphics option widget I have implemented. Now we need some event dispatcher inside this overall graphics change widget to set the settings of the other options when we change the selected value of the overall graphics. So how do we do that? And this option line is common. It's the same option line, same widget I have used for all these options. Right, so yeah, we can actually create an event dispatcher on value changed. Okay. Then when we set the value, using one of these buttons, oh sorry, I am in here. No, that's not where we need to implement it. Let's go back to the option line. Yeah, this is where we need to implement it. And event dispatchers on value changed. And we need to call it whenever we press one of the buttons to change the values. So on value changed, let's call it in the when this previous button or next button is pressed. That means these two buttons. Okay, right, now how do we register or subscribe to this event? Let's go to graphics option, and this is the initialization part. Let me add a readout node here and collapse this. Init option values. Right, now from the graphics quality, assign on value changed. We can create a new event on overall graphics quality changed. The event name is a bit long, but this should be clear enough. So when this happens, what we need to do is we need to change the values of all other options similar to the value of the overall quality. Right, so how do we do that? Here we have the initialize button, but here we also need to give the name as well. We have this set option level. Okay, so get references to all these. Oh no, we don't need anti-aliasing because it's a toggle. Get foliage quality, get post processing, get shadow, get texture. We need anti-aliasing. Toggle is the VSync. Get view distance. Let me align this to the left and align distribute vertically. Set value, set selected value. No, what's the custom event? Set option level, right? Set option level. Call it on all these widgets. So the value is taken from graphics quality. Get selected level, like this. Oh, I got an error. Right, I forgot to compile. Okay, let's test it. Go to settings. Now if I change the overall graphics quality like this, you can see all other settings are changed according to that, right? And if I apply, the changes are applied. You can see it in the background. Okay, so the next thing is, if I change one of the settings to another option, this should be changed back to custom. Right, so to do that, we need another event. Let me collapse this. Overall graphics. So for the next part, that means, let's say, anti-aliasing. We can assign on value change. We can assign an option on other option changed. can we can do it like this. Let me copy this. So here, how do we implement this? We can get level, get selected level, and if it is not equal to the level of selected level of the graphics, overall graphics quality, we can set the overall graphics quality value to custom. So to do that, we can get the graphics quality. Let me change this to overall graphics quality. It's more clear. Overall graphics quality, we can get level and compare if these two is equal or not. And we can do, we can collapse this to a macro. Oh wait, compare values, and we have to return this one as output. We have to compare values for all 6 options. Let me align these to left and distribute vertically. Right, now here we can do a AND boolean for all the results. So if any of the values are false, that means the selected value of the overall graphics should be custom. Right, now again get a reference to overall graphics, select the value, set text to custom. We should do this if the result of this is false. Okay, right, shall we check it? Oh, 𝐒𝐮𝐩𝐸 is interchanged. Why is that? Right, Okay, now let's change anti-aliasing. You see, this one is changed to custom. If I set, and if I change this back again, you can see everything changes. If I set any of them, you can see in the above this changes back to custom. Alright, and that's what we wanted to do for that. Alright, so with this I think we can stop this episode. You can see the changes I applied here. Alright, okay, now as always the project files will be available for the download through Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and if you like to support my work you can get the membership of the Patreon club. So thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.